In this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to ride and operate a John Deere Side & Striker X300 series riding mower. It's super easy and it's just going to take a couple minutes, so bear with me. Okay, so right here you've got your orange throttle switch. So once you get the mower started, if you want to go faster, you just push it forward. If you want to go slower, you push it backwards. Right next to it is a spring-loaded choke switch, and this is only pressed when you're trying to start up the vehicle if you need to choke it. So you just push it forward, and then you put in your key, and you try to start the vehicle. And then after it starts, you just let go of the choke, and it goes back down, and then you can turn up the throttle and go drive your merry way. Right below the throttle and the choke is a Mower Lift. Now this, what you can do is right here on the left-hand side, you've got this little pedal here, and if you push it down, it'll lift your mower off the ground, and then you can pull this, and it will make it stay lifted up. And then if you want to release it, all you have to do is push on the pedal, push this down, and then you can see the mower will then drop down. Now this is how you start the mower. You put in the key and you turn it, but if I turn it right now, you can see it doesn't do anything. And that's because the park brake right here is not on. So the way you put on the park brake is you push on this brake pedal, you push it forward, and then you lift up on the park brake. And then when you release, it'll stay in the lifted up position. And now with the park brake lifted up, if we turn the key, you can see it starts right back up. Then we can just turn the key to turn it off. And so once you get your mower started, you'll want to push on this lever and then push it down to release the park brake. Now these two switches, this is the cruise control and this is the blade switch. So if you want to turn on the blades, all you got to do is lift this up and the blades will start spinning. And to turn it off, you just push this down and it will make the blade stop spinning. Here you've got your forward and backward pedals. It feels very intuitive. If you want to go forward, you just press on this left front arrow pedal. If you want to go backwards, you push on the back arrow pedal. Now one thing to note, if you're driving this mower and you have the blade on and you're mowing and you're going forward, if you press on the back pedal, it will automatically turn off the blades unless you lift up on this blade switch and then push the back. Then it will keep the blade going. Now to use the cruise control switch, you just push down on the pedal to however fast you want to go and adjust your throttle. And then you just lift up on the cruise switch right here and it will lock the pedal down in the position that you had it. And I've used that several times while mowing our big backyard that's a few acres. If you want to release the cruise control, you just tap one of these pedals. You can tap the brake pedal, you can tap the back pedal. Any of those pedals should make this cruise control to go off. So I would just tap on this brake pedal here if you want the cruise control to go back down. One thing that's really nice about driving this mower is that when you're pushing down, you're going forward. If you let go, it will just slow down and come to a stop. Supposing you're not on a hill. Here you can see we've got this little icon here. If you want to start the mower, you just turn it all the way and it will start the mower. After you start the mower, you leave the key in this position. If you want to have lights on your mower turn on, you leave it at this position. And then if you want to turn off the mower, you come to the stop position. So right below the steering wheel, if you want to adjust the blade height, you've got this little dial here, and you basically turn it to however high you want it to go. If you want it to be, at 4, it will be on the highest setting. If you put it on 1, it will be on the lowest setting. And to lift up your blade, all you got to do is push on this pedal on the left-hand side, and then you can adjust this freely to whatever height you want it to be at, and when you release, it will drop the blade to that height. Now if you're low on gasoline fuel, you might see this icon get lit up right here. Here's the gas lid here, so if you want to pour in gasoline, you can just pour into this big hole here. Anyways, I hope you enjoy your John Deere riding mower. I've used this now for the last couple weeks, and I've absolutely loved it. I've cut acres of overgrown field with it. It's a beast. It has a massive cutting deck. It feels like a tractor turned into a mower, which I absolutely love. It's super strong, super powerful. And so this is my new favorite mower, and I hope you enjoy yours. Hope this video has been helpful. Thanks for watching and have a good day.